Hi, it's Peg, and I am back again with another Artist Trading Card a Day video. This is something that Shell and I do each June, and we share the challenge with you, so be sure and use the hashtag ATCAday, ATCAD2020, so that we can find you wherever you are on social media. And let's see, I'm doing these are 2.5 by 3.5 inches. And I'm just cutting some backer board right now. I like to back my artist trading cards. So I'm just creating some of those backers. Got a couple more here to do, and then I will get them stamped up. Now, part of what I like to do when I create artist trading cards is to label them so that when you mail them to somebody and they go back and look several years later, they can see who created that work of art. So there are any number of ways you can do that. I happen to have this stamp. It's a really old stamp because I've done it forever. Cat's Life Fresh. I don't even know if they're still in business, but excuse me. I've had it for a lot of years because I've had it for a lot of years. I think I also have a die cut that actually cuts an artist trading card size card. I think Tim Holtz did that a number of years ago with Sizzix. So if you want something like that, it's available through Sizzix. And some people will just print things off of their computer and glue those on the back. I like hand stamped things, so to me this is all part of the process. So I stamp these and then I attach my other layers to these backer boards. So this is day 3, and for day 3 I have selected another one of the backgrounds that I created previously, which is this window. This is alcohol ink on, I don't know if that's Yupo or what. It might just be a alcohol ink paper. But I like this window, so I think I'm going to attach that to my backer. And I'm using this Dries Clear Art Glitter Glue. This is a really good glue if you're card making or ATC making. It's a good choice. Works really well. So I'm going to just line that up and glue it down. And that's the beginning of our card. So I'm going to speed things up a bit now. Going to do a little collaging on the front of that window. I want to give the appearance of what I can see looking out my window. You know, right now we've been shut inside, and I would like to see a happier world. I would like to see the birds out at my bird feeder enjoying the bird bath, you know, making it the place that I want to see out my window. So I'm adding this Tim Holtz small bird stamp that I stamped onto tissue paper, and then these are some quotes from Dina Wakley. She has tissue paper with quotes on. And so I will glue those down and add some color
and make my window view happier today. So I hope you guys have a happy day. I hope you're making artist trading cards and getting in the spirit of this whole month-long challenge. And I will see you again soon. Thanks for your kind comments, for loving one another, for staying safe. Big hugs to all of you. Bye for now.